Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram story without music. So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, as you go, you can just upload a story from here. Otherwise, you can just click on this, okay? And here you will get this option. So on the top left side corner, just click on here, and in the drop down, you will see many options. So you can just go to the photos, right? And here after that you can select your photos. So guys, if you want to select a multiple photos, you have to just click and hold any of the photo, and after that you will see the blue icon right on the top right side corner of every photo. And if you want to select in a sequence, you can select this way, and after that you can see that I will get the number, right? So basically you have to just go like this, and after that I will select only 4, or let's say I want to select 5 photos, right? And after that you have to click the next, which is in the bottom right side corner. And here you will get the two option, that is a layout and separate. In separate, basically it will change as you can see here. Otherwise you can upload all the 5 photos at once. So I want to select the separate photos here, and as I select the separate photos, you will get the option to add the music, right? So here just click on here, and after that you will get the to add the music. If you're not able to find the music here, just search on the search bar music, okay? And just hit the enter, and after that you will get this option. So select this, and after that you will see all the music which is present in the Instagram. So guys, let me tell you, you cannot upload any of the music which is present in your phone storage. You can just upload from the Instagram, right? So in this way you can select the audio here, and after that you can just select whatever the audio clip you want, and after that you have to just click on the top right side corner, that is called done, right? And this is here. If you want to just drag it down, you can do it, and you can do the same thing with another photo. In the bottom you can see the categories, it is divided between them, and you can just select the photos in whichever photo you want to upload the music. So if I want to upload the music, I will follow the same step, and that's it. So guys, then you have to click the next, which is on the bottom right side corner. Then you have to just click on share, and that's it, your story has been uploaded. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.